My most requested recipe from family and friends is my chocolate chip cookies. Can I bring them? How do I make them? What's the recipe? So I thought, let's make them here today. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of butter, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar in a bowl of a stand mixer. You may have to scrape down the sides to make sure you got all the butter and then blend it again. Once the butter and sugar is totally combined, we're gonna add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. When we blend together the sugars with the eggs and the vanilla, we want it to get really light and fluffy. So we're actually gonna look for it to change color. This, I think, is like the critical step of how your cookies become the best chocolate chip cookies ever. Once we have the sugar mixture blended with the eggs and it's all whipped and lighter in color, we're going to scrape down the sides and then add 2.5 cups flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I add it all straight to the bowl and then I just give it a quick little stir at the top. Some people say you have to do it in a separate container. That's totally up to you. We're going to blend this mixture with the flour until it's just barely combined, and then we're going to add the chocolate chips. At this point, we don't want to mix it too much. We can overbeat it now. The amount of chocolate chips you decide to add is totally up to you. Obviously, it's something you can just judge yourself, but it's about 2 cups or the whole bag when you buy the small bag at the grocery store. Because I buy the jumbo bag and put it in these containers, I'm just gonna eyeball it to about 2 cups. I think these are the best chocolate chip cookies that you will ever have. But try them, let me know what you think. And if you don't feel like cooking, invite me to your next party. It's probably what I'll bring.